Hi there explorers, it's Jody here. Welcome again back to my channel. So we have just got ourselves a DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo. I got the bundle set, so it comes with the drone itself, the controller, 3 batteries and a case. You get extra propellers as well, so it's ultralight and it's 249 grams. So finally I get to go off and do a little bit of footage myself, which I use my phone, my mobile phone, the S21 Ultra. So this footage you're seeing now is the drone, of course. My son, that's me walking to go over to what I wanted to go and get some footage of. My 15-year-old son, he's actually flying it. It's the first time. So as you can imagine, 15-year-olds that like playing, you know, their PlayStations and stuff like that, the controllers are sort of similar to that. So he wasn't as smooth, but he did quite well actually. I'm quite surprised how quickly he picked it up. So I'm so excited to have this out. You know, I'm able to get higher for footage, you know, our video footage, in as well as low ground with my phone. But at least the drone can get into places that I can't obviously get into. So you can see how the camera on this is really beautiful and clear. And it's quite smooth to fly actually. These ones you don't need to get registered or licensed because it is under under 250 grams, so the weight of it. So you are meant to stay 30 meters away from a person as well. As you can see, my son's just getting a little bit too close there, but he's still trying to work out the controls. But he did really well. I was very surprised with him. So he got to have the fun part, and I'm, you know, trotting through the field where cows have been and nasty stuff on the ground, and, you know, I'm dodging stuff, as you can see. So you see me keep turning around and looking at the drone, so you will see my actual footage after you see this drone footage. But we're coming up to an old bridge here. See, I keep turning around. Hi. I come up to this old bridge here. Now this has been here for years and years and years, and it was actually a main bridge that people used. You will see photos that I have popped up as well. You can see the old road and stuff like that as well. So I'm enjoying the new toys, so I hope you guys enjoy my first time of getting it out there and flying. So all my other exploring, I will definitely be using the drone and practicing more. I've had a go of it and I'm nearly 50, so it's not too bad to use. So yeah, if you want to have a little bit of fun or whatever, but keep in mind there are apps that you can, well, you've got the DJI app that you download to actually use it to fly it, but you also have another app that tells you your red zones and orange zones where you can and you cannot fly. So where I, pardon me, where I am I'm in Albury in New South Wales, Australia. We are not far away from the airport, so you must be at least 5.5 kilometers away from the airport to fly it. Unless you get a bigger drone, of course, where you can go and register and you can fly within distances and stuff like that. I haven't really looked into that part as yet. So anyway, enjoy guys. I will be talking through my actual video footage, but this part is the drone and I took some photos as well. So thanks for watching again. I shall catch you on the next video. Alrighty, I'm going to get some footage of this bridge, and I have bought my new toy out, which is the DJI MINI 2, which is flying around, which you would have seen the footage in the beginning. So I'll also include in the video the footage from that as well. He's right behind me. There it is. So I brought my son out to do the recording while I'm getting it down below. So we're going to go over to this old bridge here and get some nice shots through the camera on this video on my Samsung S21 Ultra, and I'll also get some on my Canon camera, which is here. So let's go over here. He's right behind me. Hi. You can hear it buzzing behind me. I'm being followed. Rightio. So this poor old bridge has been here for a very long time. So I'm going to try and get some photos of this. It's had its time. Alright, I want to see how close I can get down in there too. Got to watch where we're stepping to. We have cow. Look, there's the cow prints. Nice little creek. I'm going to try and get a bit closer as well. Oh, he's way too close to me. Back it up. You can probably hear that in the background. He's trying to get shots of the bridge as well. Okay. Just got some shots, so I'm going to try and get down in here. See how close I can get, but it looks a little bit muddy, and I've just got normal shoes on today. Let's try and find a way here. Hopefully I don't slip. The cows can get down here, so I'm going to. Let's just go where it's a little bit more shallow. You can see how muddy it is here, so I'm going to try. Oh, okay, that wasn't too bad. I'm so glad I got out today. With COVID happening, it's really hard to get to places at the moment. So that's why it's been a while since I have posted. So let's get in and have a look under here a bit more. Excuse me, sniffling. It's freezing cold today too. I'm pretty old. I would have to go down here if I wanted to get right underneath. So let's just get as much footage as I can. From this side. we're still filling up with water there. It just hasn't reached back down underneath this bridge again. But this was a main bridge that they used all the time, so it's certainly seen its day.